Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to hide messages on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Hiding messages on iPhone is a little bit of a complicated process because you're not going to really be able to go ahead and hide messages on the Messages application, just like you have on social media apps where you have the option to archive it or unarchive it. All you have to do is open up Settings. Once you open up Settings on your iPhone, you want to go to the option called Messages over here. And then select Notifications at the very top. Now, first thing that you can do in order to hide, or let's say that when you're sharing your phone with someone, you don't want the messages to pop up at the very top, you can simply go ahead and then select Allow Notifications, and then just turn it off. This way, the messaging app will not receive any type of notifications, including you. And you always have to go to the messaging app, by default, to check whether you have received a new message. But if you still want to receive messages and not receive from specific people, then you can see the option called Show Previews. You might want to set this to Never. This will not show the preview of the notification to you, but you'll still get a message saying that you have received a message, but you will not be able to figure out who sent the message until you just tap on it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.